Namaste and a very good evening to all my listeners. This is Neha, your host, and I welcome you back to another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Hope you all are doing well and progressing in your life. With the belief that folks on their twin flame journey are getting help from these episodes, let's get started and take up today's request. Our requester wants to know, why did God bring my twin flame into my life? Well, this is the first ever question that arises while the twin flames are overwhelmed with the kind of love they feel with their counterpart. Let me tell you, this incredible question would be changing its form every time and will always be on their mind repeatedly till they get the substantial answer to it. They would anticipate the explanation to this question, and the apparent reason for their existence in their life will shift every time they are progressing on this journey. Twin flames have certainly an objective, and that is why they are on their divine journey. God will enlighten them with the most exotic realities about love, life, and people around them in its own reasonable way in the form of twin flame love. They may find real hardships while on this journey, but every time it had made them learn something important, which they might not have learned until they have this extraordinary person as their twin flame. There is always a purpose, and the twin flames knowingly or unknowingly serve its purpose and transforms their counterpart into a different person altogether. This journey could start from a fairy tale love, but would soon turn into an unconventional bond which involves the unconditional love and solitude. Twin flame, regardless of their physical presence, make a huge impact on each other's life and will change it for better. They would make you realize the credible power of self-love, gratitude, and forgiveness, and will constantly contribute in their personal, emotional, and spiritual growth. There are several reasons that you have met your twin flame, as they might trigger you every single time. They would be on and off in your life, but they would somehow support you in healing your past wounds and clear all your negativities around you in every possible way. They will make you learn how to love unconditionally. They will let you be yourself, and most important, you would learn self-love, which no other relationship can ever offer. God do have a true essence into this connection that they share with their counterpart. They would always feel godly love around them once they have the realization of this divine journey. So, if you have met your twin flame, feel gratitude towards him, God, and universe for offering you such a beautiful gift into your life. With this, I would like to end today's episode. Friends, now you can watch my twin flame videos on my YouTube channel Soul's Rendezvous. Please do check them out. Do not forget to like and subscribe. In case you also have any questions, or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment there, and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you again for listening to me. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.